Top 6 protein-rich foods for a healthier you. Welcome back, food lovers. If you're on the lookout to boost your protein intake, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 6 protein-packed foods that are not only nutritious but delicious too. So let's get started. First up is the lean and mean chicken breast. Packing about 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, chicken breast is a favorite for fitness enthusiasts. It's versatile and perfect for grilling, baking, or stir frying. Next, we have eggs, a powerhouse of protein with about 6 grams per large egg. They're also full of vitamins and amino acids essential for body repair and maintenance. Third, Greek yogurt. Don't underestimate the power of Greek yogurt. With nearly 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, this creamy delight is perfect for breakfast parfaits or as a base for sauces and dressings. Number 4, lentils for our vegetarian and vegan friends. Lentils are a fantastic protein source, offering about 9 grams per cooked cup. They are also rich in fiber, which helps in digestion. 5. Almonds are not just a tasty snack, they contain about 21 grams of protein per 100 grams. They are also a great source of healthy fats and fiber. 6. Tofu. Lastly, we have tofu, a plant-based favorite, providing about 8 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's incredibly versatile, absorbing flavors from sweet to savory. Incorporating these protein-rich foods into your diet can be a game changer for your health. Whether you're building muscle, losing weight, or just trying to eat healthier, there's an option for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to never miss our nutritious updates. Catch you in the next one.